Okay, here it is, VIC Beauty, the vicbeautybrand.com. I have not opened this yet. You guys just probably watched me take it out of the box, or open up the box, I should say. Go ahead and open it all up. What do I see? Your beauty adventure starts now. Unbox the goods, capture the goods, and share the goods. Follow at VIC Beauty Official. Okay. Oh, good. I'm glad it covered up my shipping address. That's good. You guys can see how much I paid. Okay, so this is the beauty box from VIC Beauty. So glad you're here. Some good information on how to get started. There is an app, which I am excited about, to help me figure out what there is. So, cute tissue paper. Oh, wow. Let's dig in.